Hi, my name is Mikaela Zamarron, and today we're going to be talking about mise en place. From the diner down the street to a Michelin star restaurant, all chefs swear by a trick called, excuse my French, mise en place. Mise en place is a simple technique that takes a little time, a little effort, and some planning to be as effective as possible. At its core, it's the habit of having everything prepped before starting to cook. This can mean washing, cutting, defrosting, and or measuring the various ingredients you might need for a recipe. Having everything prepped beforehand and ready before officially starting the recipe means you have the ability to focus completely on the cooking portion of the recipe, or that a no-cook recipe is just that much faster to throw together. Spending an hour or two one day a week to prep the groceries you plan to use can save you hours during the week, help you eat more fruits and vegetables, and prevent food from going to waste from improper storage or forgetting that you have it. By washing and cutting fruits and vegetables that last well cut in the fridge and that you plan to use for the recipes you're making, you can encourage your family to snack on prepared fruits and vegetables instead of going for convenience foods. You can set up your mise en place by carving out one day a week where you can cut and prep all your fruits and vegetables. Give yourself 5 minutes before starting a recipe to gather all of your ingredients, measuring, cutting, and prepping everything that you might need. And you can also incorporate your family to help you with your recipe, whether it's in the prepping by cutting, separating, or measuring out ingredients, or in the cooking process itself. I hope you enjoyed our video learning about mise en place, and you can follow us at cookingmatters.org for more recipes.